KevG weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, above normal winter in Central Park, that's an understatement. We've had 53 days with an average temperature higher than what it should be, 24 days with an average temperature below normal. And when you take a look at this from just a bird's eye view, you notice that all the days that are below normal in the month in the month happened in November and December. The vast majority of the days that happened that they're talking about on this graphic happened before January 1st, with very few days in January and again very few days in February. And you could see the spike that we had in mid to late January. Temperatures really soaring, and this is around the climatological peak of winter cold, or so it should be, but not in 2019, 2020. And I think in all likelihood, Central Park stands to have one of the least snowiest Februarys on record. I don't foresee any snow through the end of the month. So let's get right down to it. If we look at tropical tidbits, this is the next storm that comes through, if you want to call it a storm. Rain will overspread the area tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. This is going to put down less than a quarter of an inch of rain. So this is a fairly innocuous moving looking system for Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. And then it's clearing by Wednesday morning. And then the main story, I think, this week is the late week chill down from where we are now. We had a delightful President's Day. And now we're going to cool it down for the end of the week before temperatures once again rebound. You notice that by Friday there's a storm that's way off to the south over the mid and south Atlantic, and that goes harmlessly out to sea. And over the weekend we start to moderate our temperatures as this high pressure gets in control and the cold air relinquishes its grip for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, with temperatures basically around 40. But then we get into Sunday into Monday, and another storm system starts to move in. This time, I think rain overspreads the area by late Monday evening into Tuesday. And, we might get a half inch to an inch of rain out of this one, but that will go by to our east in due course. And it looks like, based on the overall weather pattern, there's not a lot of cold air to speak of, even into next week. If we take a look at what's happening with the jet stream, this is where we are by Wednesday. And as we move it along, we see this in and out cold shot, and then temperatures start to moderate. Our winds are coming out of the west, and there's just not a lot of cold air on the playing field. And here we are all the way out to Wednesday, February 26th. And the model wants to try to build some cold for late next week. Remains to be seen if this is actually going to happen. We're talking about by February 28th. But is it going to be the kind of cold shot that we've had all winter long, where it comes and goes? Most likely the answer is yes. So if we take a look at the 10-day off of Weather Underground, not much happening after we get rid of the light rain for tomorrow. We've got temperatures that are going to be cooler for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but then starting to moderate over the weekend with that rain chance into Monday afternoon, Monday night, I would call it, for next Monday. So overall, we have a snowless February continuing across the area. I don't foresee much in the way of wintry precipitation for the rest of the month. I think in all likelihood this will be one of the least snowiest Februarys on record for the tri-state area.